Hello everybody and welcome back to my vlog channel. Today's date is Monday, December 16th, and I wanted to do another couple days vlog in my life. The first few weeks of December were just so busy. Work was really busy. I was also interviewing, and so a lot of my time was put towards interview preparation. We are back to the start of a brand new week. Like I mentioned, it is Monday. This week is the last week that I'm going to be in San Francisco at home until I leave for the holidays. I'm going to be in Illinois / also just like traveling for Christmas and New Year's starting December 22nd, and I won't be back until like January 8th. So I'm gonna be gone for like 2 weeks and 2 days, more or less. I'll be gone for a while, and so this entire week at home I've just been like slowly trying to prepare for being gone for such a long time, and also just wrap up any loose ends that I have for 2024 so that when I come back to San Francisco we can start the new year hitting the ground running. It's already 10:30 a.m. I've just been spending the morning working from home, getting some administrative stuff done. I also randomly decided to wash my makeup brushes this morning. I just like every single day of this week I want to get like one household or like life thing done. I am going to be going to lab later today. Pretty much today's going to be a really normal work day. Tonight I have a hot yoga sculpt class. I think that starts at 6:30. I'm so happy because I finally found a studio and instructor in San Francisco to do hot yoga sculpt that I really like. The instructor's name is Lauren, and the studio is called Body Temp. It's in the Marina District, but I'm just obsessed with the workout. I love the instructor. Her energy is just so fantastic, and it's a great workout and so much fun. Finally, last thing I will say is that today is a very rainy day. San Francisco winters are just very wet and cold, so that's why I'm wearing a hat today. I always felt like wearing a baseball cap or something will just prevent the rain from like getting in your face. Let's go ahead and get our Monday started with some work. It is really raining outside. Although it's not like storming, it's very just like lightly misting. I need to go to Parnassus, pick up a medication to ship to one of our patients, get that all shipped out. It is so windy and rainy. Oh my gosh. I can't wait to be inside. But successful pharmacy trip. I got the medication that I needed to get. So my one in-person work task today. And now we're gonna drive to Mission Bay, which is on the other side of the city. We made it. Hi, good morning. I was wondering if I could make a reservation for tomorrow lunch. I am back home now. It's currently 4 p.m. I'm just making a cup of tea right now because I like need something warm and cozy to drink. Other than that, I have still work I need to finish on my computer. And then at 6:30 p.m. tonight, we have our hot sculpt class, which I'm super excited for. But yeah, let's keep finishing some work at home. I'll update the vlog whenever I have something fun to show. Yay! Okay, I just finished all of my work for the day. I was in such concentration for like the past hour, and I'm so glad that I submitted what I needed to submit. I need to leave in about 45 minutes to go to sculpt, but I wanted to cook dinner right now because my class is from 6:30 to 7:30, and I usually don't get home until around 8. So by then, I like will want to eat dinner, but I don't want to spend time to cook it. So usually when I have sculpt during this hour, I'll cook beforehand so that when I get home, dinner is all ready to go. My goal for dinner tonight is to make a autumn harvest bowl. So I have a little bit of this hash in it. I just bought it from Trader Joe's. It's pre-cut and everything. It's just got sweet potatoes, celery, onions. But I just threw it on a pan with some olive oil, salt, pepper, this 21 seasoning salute from Trader Joe's as well. And then I love smoked paprika on this, and so I'm just gonna put it on like medium low. You're really supposed to cover it, but I don't have a lid for this pan, so I just use like a baking tray. It just gets really hot though. I added some chicken sausage for some protein. It is all looking so good. But I think the plan is going to be have this over either rice or potatoes. I have both, so both are an option. But this is going to be dinner when I come back from school. Pre-cooking dinner is done. I just left it on the stove covered back there. I'm gonna try to leave for Sculpt in like 20 minutes. Before I leave, I wanted to try this protein bar that I got from like an ice plunge party that I went to on Sunday. This is the David protein bar, blueberry pie flavored bar, 28 grams of protein, 150 calories, 0 grams of sugar. Look at this bar. Okay, it smells good. Taste test. It tastes really good. I love anything fruity flavored, so this has my heart. I just really like pie and blueberry pie, and this pretty much not bad. I need to get ready for Sculpt, get changed. This is like my favorite part of my day because I freaking love this class so much. I need to do my hair now. The reason why like I need to do my hair, like actually do it, is because this class is heated, which means I'm gonna be sweating my booty off. And if I don't put my hair up, then it's gonna like be dripping in my face and sticking to my body, and it's just really gross. If I am gonna go to Sculpt, regardless of whether or not my hair is clean, I'll always try to put in like some sort of hair mask. So I just melted some coconut oil. I love coconut oil, have been using it for years. So I'll just melt a little bit and then put it all over my hair. Hair is being moisturized at the same time. When I put like oil in my hair, it makes it way easier to just like throw up into a bun, and it just like keeps it stickier, and so like the bun will not come out as easily. It'll just stay up for the entire class. Kind of a two-in-one win-win, if you will. All right, hair is all oiled up. I'm gonna put her in a little bit of a top knot. Sometimes, because scrunchies have so much more friction, it'll hold my hair, like objectively, it'll hold my hair better than like just regular rubber bands. It's 5:39 and we are going to leave now for Sculpt, even though it starts at 6:30. One, rush hour traffic is so bad and I don't want to take my chances, because last time I was actually almost late. I was late to the class, but luckily they had a 5-minute grace period. I was running into the door, like physically running from my parking spot into the door because of traffic. And two, sometimes parking in the Marina District is very unpredictable. So I want to get there early enough to make sure that I am like not stressed. And if I'm there early, I can just talk to people or scroll on my phone or answer emails. Like I'll find ways to entertain myself. So let's go to Sculpt. All showered. It's like 8:30, I think. Yeah, it's exactly 8:30, but I'm all showered and clean. It feels so amazing. It was such a good workout, and now I'm just gonna eat dinner, hang out with Sean, and go to bed. We're gonna put away the vlog for today, so I will see you tomorrow. Good morning, vlog. Welcome back to another day. It is the next day and I'm starting off my morning with a Zoom meeting. That's why I'm all dressed up nice. I interviewed with a school a couple of weeks ago, but the day of my actual interview, like the dean was busy in the morning, and so he couldn't do like his welcome speech and his Q&A, and so they invited all of us to attend different welcome Q&A dean sessions, and so today was the day that worked out the best for me. So I'm just gonna hop on to this Zoom. It's only like a 30-minute meeting, so it's gonna be pretty short. I'm gonna hop onto the Zoom from 8 to 8:30, and then today is just gonna be a pretty cozy work from home day. I hope I get to work from home all day. And then this afternoon, my lab is having like this holiday lunch. So overall, it's gonna be a pretty social day. I'm really excited, and let's hop into the Zoom meeting now. The Q&A session is now over. It is 9 a.m., so perfect timing for me to start my work of the day. I have a plethora of work tasks that I need to get done before a call at 11:30. I need to tell you guys about such a fun little opportunity that I'm doing in the new year. So I signed up for this like program, this volunteer program at UCSF called like the SCP STEM program where basically UCSF like staff members, faculty, researchers, whatever, can go to a local elementary school in San Francisco and read a science book to students and do like a little science activity. I'm so excited. I was accepted into the program and I have like my first introductory meeting with the teacher today, and I'm going to be reading a really cute like little picture rhyme science book to a group of first graders. I seriously cannot wait. I'm so excited. I just like read through the entire book just now. I'm looking at the different activities that we can do together. I like wrote up an agenda for our introductory meeting that we're having in like 2 hours. But I'm so excited. I love volunteering and I love children. I think this is just gonna be a fantastic opportunity for me to like connect with the community and get involved, and I'm so excited. One last thing that I need to show you. I'm obsessed with World Market. I think World Market, so basically World Market it's like a store and they have so many things from all over the world. So a lot of their stuff is like home goods, home decor, kitchenware. They have like just everything. Think like Hobby Lobby, but from all over the world, and they have like snacks and specialty sauces. So it's fantastic. And I went to World Market earlier this weekend with Sean to do some Christmas shopping, and I picked up the cutest little glass ever. It's just like a double-walled, I think it's double-walled glass cup, but it has like these little indented stamped daisies, and basically these cups are in a collection. You can buy them individually, but there's like, it's part of a larger collection where like instead of daisies, the little stamp will be like something different. So there's like strawberries, there's colorful daisies, there's mushrooms, frogs. It's all so cute, and I have been absolutely obsessed with this cup. It's just so adorable, and it makes drinking water so much more fun. It is time to get ready to go. I am about to go to our little lab holiday lunch. We're going to a really nice Thai restaurant in Union Square. Let's go ahead and hop on the Muni and attend this holiday lunch. Probably will not film that much because this is a work-related event. It's now 3 p.m. We were out for like 2 hours. There is just something about, okay, number one, iced coffee. But number two, having iced coffee with actual ice, a straw, and in this cup that is so aesthetically pleasing. Like, I love it. How adorable. Gorgeous little yogurt bowl that I just made for a snack. It is the end of the night, so I'm going to start cooking and also just like doing things around the apartment that I need to do. So I just took out the trash, the recycling. I'm in the process of watering my plants right now, and we are making some oven roasted chickpeas. Yeah, I have no idea what else I'm gonna make tonight. I just know that I wanted, like, especially on a really slow night like I have tonight, where I have like nothing to do, is when I'll usually do my oven meals. So this is what my chickpeas look like. I just got some organic garbanzo beans from Trader Joe's, and then very simple seasoning, just salt, pepper, and then this 21 seasoning salute from TJ's. And let's pop this in the oven for 30 minutes. In the meantime, let's keep watering our plants. Look at this stunning snake plant. In our apartment, we have 1 Monstera, 3 snake plants. This is my Monstera. I have had this Monstera, oh my goodness, for such a long time. I think this Monstera, 2.5 years now. This Monstera is pretty much as old as Sean and I's relationship. Yes, I have pruned her before. I've also repotted her. She just won't stop growing. Oh my goodness. Oh. I just spilled a ton of water on the floor of my kitchen. Oops. Also, I had the random idea to just like completely rearrange our room and change the feng shui of it, so I may do that tonight. It's just not cute, and I don't know why it's not cute. Something in the room needs to change, and I don't know what it is, and I'm not gonna know until I actually do it. Big spider, no. Wall. Oh! Everything's fine. I caught it. It's okay. Everything's okay. See, that's also really bad. That's awful. Like really, really, really awful. I don't know why I thought that was gonna be a good idea. Okay, I guess this should just go back, right? I'll just put this back. That did not work out. I ended up changing absolutely nothing. Okay. Oops, I ruined my glove. That's completely fine. Let's give this a little mixy. We're chilling. Everything's completely fine. Let's put them back in for another 15 minutes. Got our chickpeas. Yum. Absolutely stunning. Here is dinner. Lately, I have been so obsessed with bowls. Like this whole week, I was like, I really just want to have bowls. So yum, this is my bowl. We've got some brown rice. This is like a holiday hash that I made yesterday in yesterday's vlog. We've got our roasted chickpeas and then these green beans. Oh my gosh. So initially I just steamed them with salt, but then I was like, I need more of a kick. So I did a tiny bit of soy sauce and then red chili flakes, and now they taste like Szechuan stir-fried green beans, but they're so good. Currently on the computer with Amazon customer service, try to get help with a package, and of course going to watch Grey's Anatomy, but I'm gonna enjoy my dinner. It's been such a wonderful slow night. I am just about to wrap up my evening. I painted my toenails and then took off the gel on my nails because my pointer finger like peeled off, and so I just wanted to take all of it off so that I could repaint it in a couple of days. But I'm going to go ahead and end off this vlog here so that I can edit it. Thank you so much for swinging by the vlogs as usual, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.